Welcome viewers, you are watching Information Village. Today in this video I will tell to you about a review of mobile Vivo Y91. Recently Vivo Y91 is very good mobile phone in mid-range price mobile phones. Let us review and see the specs, but before reviewing this mobile, subscribe my channel for next upcoming video. Click on the subscribe button. Viewers, Vivo Y91 has price approximately $209. You can check your country, maybe it's slightly vary according to dollar. This mobile has 6.22 inches display, 8 megapixel front camera, 30 and 2 megapixel two cameras on the back end. It has three totally triple setup for cameras, then a RAM and then battery 4030 mAh battery. It has screen halo full view, dual camera and rear fingerprint scanning. Now let us see in detail that rear fingerprint scanning. There is an easier way to unlock. Approximately it takes 0.2 seconds. It is combined with face access and unlocking your phone will be smoother and more. It has 4030 mAh battery. The best thing in the battery is that it allows you to play at well even when on the go without worrying about running out of the power. I think that this is a good capacity battery with complemented by an exclusive smart power management system. Then we talk about its RAM, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB RAM. You can run multiple apps with easiness. There is 32 GB storage space. You can extend this storage space up to 256 GB. Then there is full view display, a much smaller no touch with an elegant design that resembles the halo of rising suns. 6.22 inches full view display, and then there is 88.6 screen to body ratio. It is smoother and long lasting than before. All face beauty, customized beautification, because it detects the beauty according to age, gender, skin and lighting environment. 8 megapixel front camera, and then there is dual camera, double the brilliance. The Y1 has super clear 30 megapixel main rear camera and 2 megapixel secondary camera, optimized photo algorithms. Therefore, it is the best camera for your picturization. Then you can get smart split facility. Then there is blue and black color present for this mobile. At the end of this video I have given the specs. You can pause the video and study all the specs, how much camera, back camera, front camera, OS, chip, CPU, RAM. You can get all the detail. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel for next upcoming video. Thanks.